Good morning, my fellow subscribers, viewers, and audience. This is your host, Noor Ali. This is going to be a short PowerPoint slide deck. What is on my mind? What is on my thoughts? What am I facing? What am I dealing? It's all related to tools and technologies at the current events. It's all about career, path, trade, craft, and what are you going to do? As far as me, I know what I want to do, or I know what I like to do, or what I would like to do. Okay? We are all in search of earning money, paying our bills, and we are all trying to stay focused within our own skill set and talents that we have earned, gained, learned throughout the years. But the best talent in the skill set is common sense, compassion, passion, empathy, thinking outside the box, creativity, having a wild, vivid imagination. If you can imagine something, and if you have the will, and you have the time, you can make it happen. You can manifest it. Okay? So before I begin, as always, I'm grateful to Divine Spirit. I'm grateful to God. I'm grateful to Universe. I'm grateful to Cosmos. And I'm grateful to planet Earth and the elements. Okay? As always. So we begin our lesson, chapter, episode, blog, vlog, however you want to say it. So today's topic is kind of mixed, kind of combined. Okay. I like to put things in my PPT slide so people can understand exactly how it matches, right? It is a combo. It's a combo. It's a combination of both technical world and a non-technical world. It is mind, body, and soul, past, present, and future. So the topic today is, especially it's information technology related, information security related. SOC is Security Operations Center. As you can say, sources. Sources are all the logs or data that is coming from different equipment, devices, servers into a SEIM. Okay, I have shared that in my previous video. You have this right there, right here, okay, and then you have this right here, okay. So, and in the middle, it's you, right? It's you. It's your vertical and horizontal. This is you going here. Something happens, you come down. You go up, you come down. You go up, you come down. So in my videos, in my content, I have shared many times vertical versus horizontal versus linear. No job is forever, no company is forever. By the time you get this video, you will understand it, you will get it. Okay? No contract is forever, right? People come and go, companies come and go, technologies come and go. But you got to understand what's happening today, what's happening now. Okay? So remember these terms: Security Center, SysDig, Tanium, OEM, DSOPS, alerts, app security testing. Remember these: IT networking, servers, cloud, network analyze, log analyze, endpoint analyze, and threat intelligence, threat hunting, report writing, right? Dashboards and reports are everywhere. Now, the key here is, do you know what path you are on? Do you know what path you're on? Know your worth. Okay, so here, obviously, this is a non-technical world. Again, hard work and smart work, right? And luck, right? You got to work hard. If you come down the stairs, you got to climb up. Come down, climb up. Come down, climb up. Come down, climb up. We don't give up. To lose patience is to lose the battle. As the teachings of great Mahatma Gandhi, as we call him, the Bapu, the father of India. And grateful teaching, grateful philosophy. Here you have the tree. Ego versus awareness. Okay? Now, too much over here on the ego side, you know, they say you should not have a chip on your shoulder. You should be on this side, right here. This side. Okay? This side, it says the barks, the branches, the trees, they just dry, crumble, and you go into the total darkness. This side versus awareness, right? Is living, is alive, it's not dead. You need to be here, not here. Keep that in mind. Now, I have done this in a different way. There is a previous content on my channel about zodiac, meaning your career, your path, your trade is attached to your zodiac sign, right? Well, with all due respect, there are many Aries born people out there, men and women, girls and boys, young ladies and young men out there in the world, right? So this side right here is dedicated to Aries. This side right here is dedicated to those in the cybersecurity, okay? What's hot out there, if you're already in the cybersecurity, or you're trying to get into it, or you've done it like me, per se, GRC, offensive security, defensive security, cybersecurity management, emerging technology. What's outcoming? Massive cyber attacks. What are cyber attacks happening? DDoS attack, phishing, backdoor, man-in-the-middle attack, SQL injection, and ransomware. You got to understand these. You got to know this, right? CVEs, when they come out, CVEs are all the patch management related. Well, because if you understand CVE, you understand patch management, you understand vulnerabilities. If you understand vulnerabilities, then you know what I'm talking about. If you understand GRC, then they're connected to vulnerabilities. So I'm not going to go too much into vulnerabilities or GRC. I'm just going to introduce you, okay? These are the common themes in today's world. All right. Here we are in a chart. So anytime, anywhere you work in a command center, in a data center, in a monitoring center, you'll be faced this: identify, report, monitor, and assess, right? You need to understand this chart. I'm not going to read it for you. It's there. I'm going to keep this for a few minutes on this slide. So when you get a chance, you can read it yourself, right? How do we learn? How do we understand? First, we do the research. Then we do investigate. Then we write the document. Then we read, right? And then we do show and tell. We do presentation. And we share. And we grow. First, we teach ourselves. Then we teach others, right? It's simple as that. But if you have done it, you have been there, then you will have no issues, no problems teaching others, sharing with others, okay? Some of this information and knowledge is out there in the internet. It's in ChatGPT, it's in Gemini, and you can find out yourself, with all due respect, right? But in short videos, there's not much you can say in detail, because then it goes for hours and hours and hours, and we are not into a class, we are not into a school. This is just common sharing knowledge and getting the word out, basically getting the word out, right? So in these days, if you're in a security related career, security related job, you know, there are teams out there, right? Black hat, white hat, red hat, blue hat, or red team, a blue team, or purple team, a green team, black team, white team, in security, especially in security. This chart that I'm giving you, I'm showing you, will fit just fine. If you're in business continuity team, if you're in a disaster recovery team, this is where it all fits right here, okay? If you have done CRs, change requests, if you have done, it doesn't make a difference, it's Jira, it doesn't make a difference, it's ServiceNow, it doesn't make a difference if you have done Remedy, Footprint. I have used so many ITIL systems in my career. Oh, you know, it's all in my head right now, in my big computer brain, right? Anyhow, anyway, remember this: identify, report, monitor, and assess. We all assess. This is how we troubleshoot, investigate, and then we identify, and then we fix the problem. Okay? That's what's going on 24/7 in the world today. All right. This chart is ideal solution. Constraints are roadblocks, personal constraints, business constraints, project constraints, and technology constraints. A solution is found by removing the blocks, a blockade, or constraints. Constraints in any environment, any department, any group, any project, okay? May it be finance related, money related, may it be people related, technology related, process related, right? You have to weed everything out and write a solution plan, and you follow it, right? That's what professionals do, right? And you fix the problem, and you close the ticket, and you move on. All right, it ends over here. Like I said before, share, learn, teach, and grow. Share, learn, teach, and grow. Share, learn, teach, and grow. If you like, you subscribe. If you like, you subscribe, please. If you like, you subscribe, please. Gotta have some sense of humor, right? Anyhow, anyway, to all my subscribers, to all my viewers, to all my audience, as I do these videos, as I do this PPT, PowerPoint slide decks, as I do my presentation, as I do my show and tell, I am personally also upgrading, sharpening my own skill set. The greatest skill set that you ever need to conquer your fears: communication, speaking English, presentation, show and tell, creating a document, writing a PowerPoint slide, doing a run book, doing a playbook, okay, doing an instruction set, doing writing a guide set for somebody, so somebody can follow any application install, anything that you have done, right? Anything. This is how you do it. This is how you follow it. This is how you make it happen, right? There are no shortcuts. There are no shortcuts. You got to have commitment. You got to put effort. You got to work hard. And yes, you have to be smart. You have to be tech savvy. Otherwise, you won't be able to do it. Remember that, okay? Till my next video, I want to thank all. God bless you all. Bye.